welcome back to our channel Med Prep by Academically. If you are a doctor from overseas or someone planning to become a doctor in Australia, this video is going to clear up a lot of confusion. Today we are talking about the best pathways to become a doctor in Australia. We'll also discover which one is easiest, cheaper and less time consuming pathway for you. So let's dive in. First of all, let's start with the most commonly used route, the standard pathway. This is mainly for international medical graduates who haven't studied in a country that Australia considers equivalent in terms of training. So here's how it works. Step number 1, pass the AMC MCQ exam. Step number 2, pass the AMC clinical exam. Step 3, apply for supervised practice and registration. Sounds straightforward, right? But here's the catch. It's time consuming and costly. The clinical exam especially has a long waiting period and is known to be quite challenging. So the total time consumed can be 1 to 2 years and the cost involved is moderate to high and the difficulty level is also moderate to high depending upon your preparation. Now, this is where things get interesting. The competent authority pathway is way easier, but only if you are eligible. It's for doctors who have already completed medical training and internships in countries like the UK, the US, Canada, New Zealand, and Ireland. And if you have passed certain exams like PLAB, USMLE, or NCLEX, you don't need to do AMC clinical exams. You just need proof of your training, 12 months of supervised practice in Australia, and then boom, you are eligible for general registration. This procedure can be done in around 1 year and it is cheaper than the standard pathway. Moreover, the difficulty is lower as there is no AMC clinical exam involved in the process. If you qualify, this is the fastest and cheapest route to becoming a doctor in Australia, but remember, only if you are based out of any of the countries mentioned above. Now the next one is for specialists. If you are already practicing as a specialist, say a cardiologist or a surgeon overseas, you can apply through the specialist pathway where your skills are assessed by the relevant specialist college in Australia. But heads up, this process can be complex and depends heavily on your field and experience, and the total time varies upon the testing college and the cost involved can be thus expensive. The difficulty level here is moderate to high. So if you are wondering which pathway should I choose, here's the quick summary. So if you are eligible, the competent authority pathway is definitely the easiest, cheapest and quickest way to become a doctor in Australia. However, if you are eligible only for the standard pathway, do not worry, Academically can make it quick and cheap for you. With us, you can prepare for and take the AMC examination in the least time possible, and best case scenario, you can complete the AMC process in as little as a year. Visit academically.com or go to the link in the description to reach out to us and know all about how we can help you crack the standards pathway easily. Well, that's a wrap on today's video. I hope that clears up the different pathways to become a doctor in Australia. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We always reply. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe this with someone who's planning their medical journey in Australia. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye and take care.